we were able to generate 1K a day on Shopify without running any ads. I want to explain exactly how I did that and how you can do it as well. So yeah, let's get into it right now. So this strategy is very it's like not traditional at all. It's not what a lot of people do, and I'm gonna go outside. By the way, I moved out of California. I'm in a different state now. I'll announce all of that on Instagram probably today, but I'm on my balcony. So I, again, generated $1,000 daily without running any ads. And I did it very strategically. There was a very strategic plan that went into place in order to allow me to do this. It was very systemized and it was tough to do, not traditional at all, but it was fun because I was able to pull in a lot of money without running ads. Would have been more, but the Instagram account that I grew got deleted. So yeah, I'll get into everything in regards to exactly what I'm talking about right now. So basically, I believe it was April. Yeah, April we started this new store, brand new, no data, nothing. Scaled it to 100 grand last month. We did like $110,000 in revenue. And then after that, we stopped running ads. And then after that, we were consistently, we turned off all of our ads and we're consistently generating like $1,000 a day. And then something happened and then we stopped generating any revenue. So I'm going to explain the strategy, how you can do it the same, and how to avoid mistakes that I made, because our what we did ended up getting deleted, which was our Instagram page, which brought us all of our money, and so then we weren't able to generate income. Still, we get sales because people search our name up on Google. Like, they literally remember our brand so well that they Google us and buy our products still to this day, when we haven't ran ads in probably over almost a month, which is awesome to see. We still probably do like a few grand a month, and it's literally no ads. So it's awesome. But yeah, let's get into exactly what we did. So basically, day one, we launched an Instagram page with our store, and from there we posted content, tons and tons of content, like 1 to 2 pics a day, and then stories every single day, polls, all that stuff, questions, everything like that. And then here is where it became very, very lucrative. Giveaways. We came up with the strategy that if we want to do big numbers, we have to grow our brand. And if we want to grow our brand, we need a lot of followers, because if we don't have a lot of followers, we will look like a fake page and a fake business. Like, that's just a scam, and it's not even a real legitimate brand. So what we ended up doing was we kind of like analyzed what other people in the marketplace were doing, like other dropshippers, and no one was really doing what we were doing. So basically what we ended up doing was we launched engagement ads running at our giveaways. So we would post giveaways and say, hey, comment, tag 3 friends, like this post, and follow us for a chance to win this product. And we ran probably like 200, I think we were up to like spending $500 a day on ads, literally just on engagement for that post, for those giveaways. And those giveaways ended up getting like thousands and thousands of comments on a page that we grew the page to like 30,000 followers. And then from there, our revenue went crazy, because like we didn't even have to run ads to get sales, like a lot of sales as well. And then it was to the point where we can like post on our story and say, hey, here's a coupon code for this product, blah, 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 here's 20% off. And we would get like $500 to $1,000 every single day in sales just off that coupon code. So what I'm saying is, our whole strategy was growing our brand by growing the followers and growing our audience to be able to then sell to them in the future. So we weren't as much focused on being profitable in the beginning, because that's what a lot of people do, and that's why a lot of people fail. We were basically focused on just growing the brand and growing a platform that we can then sell to again in the future, which we did, which we had great plans for. But what happened was we were actually using other people's content, and we got reported once it got some of our content deleted, and then we actually had other content that was not ours, and that got deleted. And third time you're out, third strike you're out. So we had that happen 3 times. Instagram deleted our content 2 times. Third time, our whole page got deleted. I woke up one day, Instagram was not loading on my phone. I was like, what's happening? I called my business partners and they were like, yeah, what the hell? and then like within 24 hours we were like, okay, rip, this page is deleted. So you know, there's a lot to learn from that. Obviously take note of what we did as far as like how we grew the page, how we grew the income, because again, if I had that page to this day, I would be able to grow, do like a K a day revenue. We did do like a K plus a day revenue without running any ads when we still had the page. Like I could literally just post on my story and say, yo, here's a 20% off coupon, go buy this product now, and we would get hella sales, like a lot. So that was awesome to be able to see, but it's just unfortunate that the page got deleted. But yeah, that's kind of my whole strategy for how to make money without even spending money on ads, I guess that day. Because we spent like tons of money on ads, like it's tens of thousands of dollars on ads. So it's not like we didn't spend any money, but it's just we made the money on the back end rather than focusing on becoming profitable like day one. But yeah, it was super cool. I'm gonna do that again with this next store I'm running, and I suggest you guys do as well. But again, like no one's doing this. Everyone's focused on being profitable day one, when in reality you should be focused on building a brand, build an environment, and just like a cult following for your product, and then you'll make a lot of money if you do it that way. So that's kind of my that's my strategy for $1,000 a day with no ads on that day. Like we didn't run ads when we were generating $1,000. Obviously we were in ads, but it was no ads when we were generating income. We were able to generate 1K a day on Shopify without running any ads. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do smash that like button and comment below if you have any video recommendations or questions or anything like that. I'm gonna answer all within the first 24 hours. And I also do polls. I believe it is 11 a.m. every single day. I answer everyone's questions for an hour on Instagram, so you can follow me on there and wait for those. I do that every single day at TMP. It's simple, 3 letters. But yeah, other than that, guys, hope you guys did enjoy and got value from this video. Take action on this whole strategy before it becomes too saturated. I'm sure people are going to now hop on it and like go hard with it, which I suggest. But yeah, take action, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I'm gonna be posting every single day just because I want to get back in the groove of YouTube. Also, again, like I said, I'm announcing where I moved to on Instagram today, so if you want to check that out at TMP, you can always check that out. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace.